What's going on, YouTube? We're going to do an old school YouTube unboxing video for the brand new Pokemon Center Mewtwo and Mew DNA Premium Classic Binder. These are still for sale and available. It just came out for $39.99 with, I think you get free shipping if you buy enough of them directly from Pokemon Center. But the reason I buy them is I want to use one to display my Mew and Mewtwo cards at my local garage sale. But I also feel it's going to be one of those binders that once all the hype is done with, the cards that come out, people look, especially those that are big fans of this particular character, they're going to look for this binder and it's going to be out of stock. So classic Pokemon Center is they'll come out with something and everyone will just like, oh, I'll get that later. And then when they go to like, oh, I need more, I want to make a Mew binder, then it's out of stock. So some of the binders directly from Pokemon Center, originally were, 30 or 40 bucks. And then later on they'll sell for like 80 bucks or 100. So you can double your money if you time it right. I did create a listing on eBay. I do have mine listed high for 100 bucks because I'm okay sitting on it. But just wanted to show everybody. Wow, this thing's really cool. Let's see if I can zoom out farther here. Adjust my camera. And this is my photo booth where I pretty much do my listing, for my other eBay items. But it's really nice. It's got a very nice texture, really nice stitching. I don't know if Ultra Pro makes this binder for them. I don't think it really says. Let's see if we can detect. Holds 18 cards per page, so double-sided, 360 cards. And this shipped from Ohio. Made in China by Game Freak. So again, but I don't know where besides that they're made in China, but I could already imagine some Chinese company knocking this off once they see that it sells. But very, very awesome looking binder. It is pretty heavy with no cards in it. But the DNA mix is really cool. And I know you can get like a play mat and like a box for it. Oh, and then it is a zipper binder. And this guy here is really cool. It's kind of like, it looks like a rainbow toned like silver coin or Pokeball. So it's cool that because I think some of these have just been like a flat finish, but they did a really nice job painting it. Let me zoom in on that a little bit more. Very, very cool. And I think it's double-sided. Yep. All right, so let's get the binder open. And the zip is very smooth. The zipper should be made by YKK. That's a Japanese zipper company. And oh, even the inside has really nice texture. So yeah, wow, that feels really nice. Look, it's like felt. Look. Oh, that feels so nice. So definitely a very nice premium binder for someone, and again, I don't really have expensive cards, but I will have this out on display at my garage sale. I don't think I'll sell any because most people will be like, well, I can just get it from Poke Center. It's like, yeah, but you got to I think you have to buy like 2 to get free shipping. So maybe someone will buy this from me at my garage sale. I would probably be asking at my garage sale like 65 bucks for the binder, and they'll be brand new, sealed, but I will have this one out. I might just use this one to display just Mew and Mewtwo cards when I get enough of them. I do have quite a bit, but I kind of have like them in top loaders because any cards that are worth $3 or more I put in top loaders. But very nice. I want to say it's like made by Ultra Pro. And then you got the little paper here and then more felt in here. Ooh, there's something back down here. That's really cool. That I've never seen on binders. Let me zoom in on that and see what that says. So Pokemon Trade Setter game. And I'm pretty sure this is like a worldwide binder. So usually this stuff gets like released in the UK first. And this was at the, they always kind of come out with a prototype to see what people think at conventions. And then obviously it was a big hit because this is one of the more popular characters. But so far I like it. I have not washed my hands, but it's not leaving any fingerprints. It does look like it could take some punishment, which is kind of important to me at my garage sales because my binders get looked at over and over and over again. Or if you have your cards at shows, this would definitely be a binder that sticks out and, again, would make sense to put all your Mewtwo and Mew cards in. And if you do store your cards or your binders like this, that just looks really cool. The graphic on that, and there's a little Mew character. So just wanted to share this with you guys. Again, you can pick it up now at Pokemon Center for 39 bucks. Pretty sure you have to pay shipping. I have to pay tax. I don't do like a reseller account or anything like that, even though I've been reselling on eBay forever, for like 20 years. I just pay the tax, and unfortunately I pay like 10% tax. But I did get my binders. There was a little bit of mix-up, so one thing you'll note with these, a lot of times they send it FedEx. It comes out of a warehouse in Ohio, and FedEx marked it as delivered last night, like at 8:50 p.m. And I have a camera at my front door, and I'm like, no one ever came. So I like check my neighbors and stuff, and no one got the package delivered. So then I filed immediately, like, hey, look for my package with FedEx. And then I also did it with Pokemon Center, which is pretty easy to fill out, but sure enough, it showed up this morning. So a lot of times the FedEx person or delivery guy or gal will pre-scan it showing that it's delivered, but don't panic. Typically you get it the next day. So, but anyways, very beautiful premium binder. Highly recommended. I know it's a little on the expensive side, but guys, if you have like, you know, these cards themselves are $2 to as much as like thousands of dollars. Why not store it in something really nice, especially if this is one of your more favorite characters and just a really cool, awesome looking binder. I could see getting a lot of compliments on it. And if you're not the type that shows it off, well, I think it would look really awesome in your personal collection. So I like it a lot. I'll have this on display at my garage sale. And you know what? I'm going to pause it real quick and I'll show you how my garage sale setup is. And if you guys are local, feel free to stop by this weekend. We are having a community garage sale. There's going to be over 100 homes participating here in Elk Grove Village, Illinois. So let me get this paused and I'll show you where I'm going to display it.